I've been to the beat, walking down the street.
Huwag mo masyadong pagkuguluhan si Art. Move a little bit.
It's Red Bull with the big ass ball.
And then move around.
Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body.
Okay, the first lady. First ladies. Okay, wait. First ladies are the ladies in green and in red. Okay, dahil kapatid siya. So, dahil kapatid siya, wait lang. Dahil kapatid mo naman, beso-beso. And also you, say give your goodbye kiss. Okay, let's continue.
Girl, look at that body. I work out. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out when I walk in the spot. This is what I see. Everybody stop.
That's the truth.
I got a Russian in my pants and I ain't afraid to show it. I'm sexy and I know it.
Oh, ladies, feel sexy. Ay! Naku, pinagkakagulahan. Wait. Isa lang po si Art. Let me see. Okay, I think there's only two ladies who are seated. Okay, thank you very much. Before you go, give your goodbye kiss to Art. Ayan. Ano namang feeling na kanina pa nakikiss? Okay, let's continue with the game.
We run this mother.
Dance with the music. Dance with the music, ladies.
Parang ako ah.
Okay, let us see who are seated. Okay, so this cute lady here and this girl here. Give your goodbye kiss before you go. Goodbye kiss. Yeah, nako, nakakarami na si Art. Okay, thank you, ladies. Next.
Get na, marami na.
Okay, talagang pinagkakaguluhan po si Art. Yan, ganyan ang mga nangyayari. So, walang nangyari ngayon. Okay, we'll give another chair for Art. Sino yung mga nakaupo?
Nayupi.
Okay. So, hindi ka daw kasama. So, sige, give your goodbye kiss to Art. Okay, ladies, masyado nyo naman pinagkakaguluhan si Art. Nakakasira tayo ng chair. Okay, Art, stand up for a while. Ayan, ladies, be tame. Huwag masyadong nagkakagulo. Teka, Art, how are you feeling? Kamusta ka naman? Nahihiya. Speechless si Art. Okay, music please.
Some of them may think they freak this like we do, but no they don't. Make your check come at their neck. Disrespect us, no they won't. Boy, don't even try to touch this. Boy, this beat is crazy. This is how they made me. They used to take.
Okay, let me see. Who's going out? Okay, si ate will be going out. Oh, dahil ang laki ng space. Okay, and these two ladies here, give your goodbye kiss before you go away. Okay. So now, we're down to two. Okay, so this is Art, and this is, what is your name? What is your name? Abby, and this is M. Okay, so sinong gusto nyo maiwan? Si Abby or si M? This is
Abby, Abby,
this is
Abby,
M. Sino gusto nyo maiwan?
Abby, Abby,
Si Abby. Okay, so parang gusto nyo maiwan si Abby. Wala siyang boyfriend. Okay, so music please. Nagtanggal na ng shoes. Para lang manalo. Nagtanggal ng shoes. Ms. M. Okay? Give your goodbye kiss. Yan. So, Abby, get ready, ha? Give your goodbye kiss to us. Okay, thank you very much, Miss M. Okay, alright. Okay ka pa ba? Are you still okay? Okay, please stand up. I want you to meet Miss Abby. Okay, shake hands. Okay. Yes, I forgot. You are supposed to put in the garter to Abby. Okay? So let me have the garter. And again, let me have the chair, please.
Go, Abby.